Welcome to the DLSUD Facility Reservation online tutorial. First, go to DLSUD portal account. Begin by logging into your DLSUD portal account using your username and password. Navigate to the application menu and select Facility Reservation. Click on the Login button and provide your username and password. After logging in, click on the Make a Reservation button. Choose your desired facility and package from the drop-down list. Description and price details will display on the table. Select date and time. Click the Next button to proceed the transaction. Step 3. Submit your reservation request. Final amount will be displayed. Then click the Submit button. Your request has been submitted. Click Finish button to check the status of your reservation. Select the transaction on the table. Transaction summary will be displayed details, payment and the status if pending and approved. Then if all the signatories approved the reservation, click the Print button. Print the billing statement and present this to the accounting office after your payment. Proceed to the facility owner to present your official receipt as proof of payment. For outside and non-DLSUD members, please visit the following link: https://tama.dlsud.edu.ph/reservation/users/login.aspx. Select Not Yet a Member to register your account. Just fill up all the necessary information on the form. Then click Submit. Lastly, you can check on your credentials by entering your username and password on the login page. Thank you for watching. For more information, please call for 811-900 local 3 to 63. Thank you.